We are paddling on the Dordogne River in France. And how do you like our ugly boats? These kayaks are kind of ugly, but they serve their purpose. They're kind of like whitewater boats because they turn on a dime. But we have a good fast-flowing current, maybe 4 miles an hour, 6 kilometers per hour, and we are paddling 25 kilometers on the river from Kayaking to Beynac, something like that. And this is the first rock face. This is Montfort Castle, one of the first landmarks on our trip down the Dordogne. There's a better view downriver of Montfort Castle, just beautiful. And we're still going down the Dordogne River. And some beautiful rock faces here. And I'm not sure if that is a little cafe or a residence. First bridge. There's Maryland. And there's a beautiful rock face. And the road runs right below it. And the bridge is down there. It's a pretty day. The sun is out and it's warming up. Picked up some other boats on the river, but not very many. In the high season in the summer, evidently, there are lots of boats on this river. There's some kind of a city or town way up top of that up there. For sure describes this as some imposing limestone cliffs. Where there's supposed to be peregrines, kites, and falcons who nest here. And nesting season, you can see them fighting in the air. Haven't seen any yet, but I'll keep looking. Oops, as we go downstream. Maryland is way down there at the bottom of that cliff right there. And still a beautiful day. The sun's shining and it's getting a bit warmer. Go straight up. Very nice. La Roque Gagou. I'm not saying that anywhere near correctly, but it's a village built into the cliffs. And we may stop here and have a look around. This is called the Mallory Chateau, I believe. Again, butchering the name. This is the Castle of Castelnau. I'm not saying that correctly. And the village of Castelnau. And very beautiful. There's a bridge. There's Beynac Castle, Beynac Village, Beynac Chapel, probably Beynac Bridge. And our takeout is about 20 minutes below this town. This is a tour boat of some type that runs up and down the river. There he is. And there's yet another beautiful building. This is Beynac Castle still. You can walk up there, they say, about 15-20 minute walk to the top. We'll see if we do that.